Hello and welcome to my dance video series at home. I hope you already saw first videos of waltz and tango and Winnie's waltz. You can check them out, but today our challenge is to do quick step in this small room. We will start with exercises for balance and for footwork in chasse, and after that we will do quick step basic routine. Now this is warm-up exercise for balance and for feet. So we go up on the toes, we keep stomach in, shoulders down, head and neck stretched up. So this is vertical line, we are on balance on front of our feet. So we lower, heels slightly touching the floor. Okay, so check your posture. This is not good. This is good. When you go down, please don't transfer too much weight on heels, but keep in front of your feet. So we go down and we go up. We go down and we go up. Now, if this is too easy for you, let's stand on one foot. For example, on my left, right foot is to side, and weight is on left foot, almost completely on left foot. Ladies would do like this. Okay, we change weight to right foot. We go up, and we kind of control and secure our balance with free foot, but all the work is done on the standing foot. Yeah, do you feel the muscles? Good, very good. Now we will do chasse exercise. So this lowering and rising exercise is important when you do chasse. So you go toe, 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 heel, and heel is lightly touching the floor. To other side, toe, 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 heel. Okay, from this angle. So balance is now on my right foot, but heel is very lightly touching the floor. And toe, 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 heel, toe, 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 heel. Side, close, side, lower, side, close, side, lower. Yeah, very good. Yeah. And now we will go straight into our routine. Man steps, man starts with right foot and dances into this corner. Natural spin turn. Right foot forward, left foot to side, close right foot to left foot. Now left foot back and pivoting action. Forward and to side and slightly back. That was spin turn, natural spin turn. Now progressive chasse, we step back and on toes, side, close, side. Now two walks. Man goes with right foot forward outside partner. So feet are on one line. We continue next step forward and we do chasse, side, close, side. Again, toe, 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 heel. Now two walks back, back in CBMP. Now allowing lady to go outside. So back, another step back and chasse, side, close, side. From beginning, slow. Quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Now from opposite corner, I will start to this corner with right foot, forward, side, close, back, pivot, forward, to side and slightly back, back, side, close, side, forward outside partner, forward, side, close, side, back in CBMP, back, side, close, side, and slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And now ladies, your steps. Ladies starts with left foot, backwards, and rotate to right, then to side, close, lower into left foot, step forward and pivoting action, then step diagonally back, heel is up, and we do brush and diagonally forward. Now step forward and chasse, step forward through heel, and then on toe, side, close, side, and heel is touching the floor. Now we do two walks. First walk is back in CBMP, second walk is back, chasse to side on toes, side, close, side. Now two walks forward. First is in CBMP, outside partner, forward walk, and chasse, side, close, side, and lower. Again, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Very good. And now from opposite corner. So lady starts with left foot, back to side, close, now forward and pivoting action, diagonally back, brush, and diagonally forward, then forward, side, close, side, back in CBMP, back, side, close, side, forward in CBMP, outside partner, forward, side, close, side, and slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Very good. Now we will try this to Quickstep music. Mat steps. From this corner, now ladies steps. Now from this corner, I hope you enjoyed this Quickstep video. And now let's thank my patrons on Patreon. They loved my videos so much that they supported me so I can continue to do free dance videos. If you want to support me or have my personal dance advice or online private dance lesson, please consider join me on Patreon. Link is, and in description. Let's stay safe and keep dancing!